to talk about vitamin D and your health. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Erica.
So why is vitamin D so important to your health?
Erica, vitamin D deficiency have a significant impact on our health. Unfortunate part is significant percent of the adults and kids have a vitamin D deficiency and they're not aware of it. Vitamin D deficiency can actually result in weight gain, affecting our metabolism. Vitamin D deficiency increases our cholesterol, blood pressure, and the combination, Erica, increased risk of developing heart disease. We have quite a few research indicates that vitamin D deficiency causes insulin resistance, leads to increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Vitamin D deficiency, breast cancer connection. We see quite a few research that women diagnosed with breast cancer have a low level of vitamin D. Vitamin D osteoporosis, of course, is necessary for absorption of the calcium. And definitely the hair loss, we see significant, the hormone impact that have in the body. Vitamin D deficiency, depression and fatigue and lack of energy. A lot of people experience that, and most of the time is due because of the vitamin D deficiency. Coming back also, this is very interesting now, Erica, research shows that the pregnant mother, especially winter pregnancy, they are vitamin D deficient and they deliver a baby with vitamin D deficiency. Quite a few research shows that vitamin D deficient during the pregnancy leads to increased risk of autism.
Wow.
That's very interesting that the pregnant mother should be watching that. And looking at the other impact of the vitamin D deficiency, it's important that to understand the value of vitamin D. So simple blood work in doctor's office can identify. So everybody should know their vitamin D number as just knowing their blood pressure and also their cholesterol number.
So where do people get vitamin D?
Very good point, Erica. One of the major sources of vitamin D is the sunshine, of course. But of course, we don't get too much in our area.
Right.
So vitamin D fortified milk, cereal, fish are excellent source of vitamin D. But as a general rule, we are not getting enough. So I do strongly recommend, especially in the fall and winter, vitamin D supplementation, but 1,000 to 2,000 international units is necessary. But the best way, get your blood vitamin D level measured. So based on your actual number, proper supplementation we recommended.
And most multivitamins that people are taking include vitamin D, is that right?
There have, but it's not enough, Erica. It's important that they take actually vitamin D, D3, at least 1,000 to 2,000 international unit. But if there's actually severe deficiency, the prescription dose is about 50,000 international units. So it's important they know their vitamin D, and based on that, proper recommendation can be made.
Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
we appreciate
you for having me
it.
here. Thank you.
And if you have any more questions about vitamin D or any other health issues, you can contact Dr. Shayesteh at the number on your screen. Remember, that first initial consultation is free. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll be right back. Stay with us.